Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Toyota Camry touchscreen. We'll start by checking the basics, like the fuse. A blown fuse is a common culprit for electronic issues, so it's a great first step. Then, we'll move on to a simple soft reset, which can often resolve minor glitches. This process is straightforward and doesn't require any special tools, just a little patience. Let's get started on getting your screen working again. Once you've located the fuse box, consult your owner's manual to find the specific fuse for your audio or multimedia system. It's usually a 10-amp fuse, often labeled radio or audio. Carefully pull it out with a fuse puller or small pliers. Look for a broken wire inside the fuse. If it's blown, replace it with an identical new fuse. This simple step can often restore power to your touchscreen. A soft reset can clear temporary software glitches. First, ensure your vehicle is completely off. Then, open the hood and find your car battery. Using a 10mm wrench, carefully loosen and remove the negative battery cable. It's crucial to wait for at least 15 minutes before reconnecting it. This allows the system to fully discharge and reset, often resolving unresponsive screen issues without further intervention. Remember to tighten the cable securely. If the previous steps haven't worked, it's time for more advanced checks. You might need to carefully remove the head unit to inspect the wiring for any loose connections. A factory reset, accessible through your system settings, can also resolve deeper software problems, but remember it will erase your personalized settings. Finally, check for any available firmware updates. If the problem persists, it's best to consult a qualified technician for a thorough diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.